Hi, this is an AHP 275 hydrotest unit from High Force Hydraulic Tools. My name is David Shaw, and today I'll show you how it works. The first thing to do to set up this system is to run air to the system. You can see here that we've run shop air into the FRL, which stands for Filter Regulator Lubricator System. And you can see here the amount of pressure that we have on the air inlet right now. The next step, once the air is ran into the FRL, is to open the ball valve. You can open this ball valve here and you'll hear the pump start to turn on. Now what the pump is doing now is just circulating water, in this situation water, from the tank through the pump, back through the needle valve, back to the tank. So as long as you leave it open like this, it'll just circulate like that. In order to build pressure, you would want to close this needle valve. Now once the pressure has started to come up on the pump, you can adjust the pressure on the pump by adjusting the amount of air which is coming into the system by changing the FRL. In this situation, I'm going to give it a bit more air and it's going to go a bit higher in pressure. If you want to reset the pressure, you open the needle valve, adjust the amount of air you're giving, and close the needle valve again. Then you can adjust the air, give it a bit more air, and you'll see that it comes up in pressure. This is also a good way to bench test the pump before you actually put it on the application. Now in order to run the chart recorder, we have plumbed the pump to the back of the chart recorder, and as we start to run the pump and as we come up in pressure, you can see the chart recorder needle will start to come up in pressure as well. In this situation, the pump is reading just over 12,500 and it's reaching 15,000 psi. And as mentioned before, I can tweak that a little bit to where I can get it to where I'm just happy with it, and we can leave it there.